Page 30. The table shows the changes in the values of two friends' savings accounts since the previous month. So we've got Carla and Lita, June, July, and August. Carla had $100 in her account in May, so that would be a positive amount. So let's highlight the positive amount for Carla. So Carla has that one and that one. How much does she have in her account in August? So we need to combine positives, we need to combine negatives, and then put those two together. 100 plus 22 is 122. And then 53 plus 18. Looks like 71. So 71 is the negative amount, and this is the positive amount, so subtract 71 from the positive amount. So Carla has $51 in her account. Alright, Lita, let's highlight her positive amount. Lita had 45, and then those are the two positive amounts for her. Let's combine her positives, and then we'll combine her negatives, then we'll put them together. So 45 plus 18. When you're adding 45 and 18, you can do 45 plus 20 and then take 2 away. Or you could do 5 plus 3. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry that 1 and get 63. 63 is the positive amount. Now combine her negative amount. 17 and 22. Nine here, 3 here. Now take her positive amount and subtract her negative amount. 63 minus 39. 5 here and a 3 here. 13 here. So Lita has $24. Whose account had the greatest decrease value from May to August? So Lita went down from 45 to 24. She had 45, now she has 24. So Lita went down, it looks like $21. Carla, need some more space here. Let's work Carla's right here. Carla had 100, and now she has 51. So Carla went down more. So Carla lost more while she spent more money. Write and solve a word problem that matches the diagram shown. Okay, so Tim owed $1. So that's this part right here. Tim owed $1. He borrowed, looks like, let's see, $6 more. Borrowed $6. We'll highlight that a different color so you can see how the number line goes. And then he paid back looks like $1, $2, $3. Highlight that a different color so you can see it nice and clearly. There's the $3 that he paid back. Looks like he still owes $4. And highlight that another color too. Go yellow for that one. And that's the money that he still owes right there. Mary has 10 in savings, so that's a positive amount. She owes her parents 50, so that's a negative amount. She does some chores and her parents pay her 12. Paying her is a positive amount. She also gets 25 for her birthday from her grandmother. There's another positive amount. Does Mary have enough to pay her parents what she owes them? Well, let's put things together here. I'm going to combine all my positives. 10. Got that one. 12. Got that one. And 25. I'll put that one in next. So 10 plus 12 plus 25. 7. Looks like 47. So 47 plus negative 50 equals negative 3. She still owes $3. An expression involves subtracting two numbers from a positive number. Under what circumstances will the value of the expression be negative? So let's start with 10. We'll subtract 5, and we'll subtract 4. What would that equal? Equal 1. Okay, so that's still positive. That's not going to work. But what if we did 10 minus 5 minus 6? That would equal negative 1. So it is negative because the absolute value of the numbers being subtracted is greater than the original positive number. And that was page 30.